Build-A-Bear family, it's Lindsay and Aaron from the workshop.
And just a little reminder, this video contains advertising from Build-A-Bear Workshop.
But keep watching while we unbox a brand new collection from Build-A-Bear.
So normally when you go to Build-A-Bear, you pick a furry friend and take it back to the bear builder. But this is Heartables.
It's an all-new mystery collection. Inside each bag is a furry friend, a surprise heart, and a surprise accessory.
You don't know which Heartable you have until you take it to the bear builder, and they help you open it up to reveal the surprise inside. There are 6 different Heartables to collect. They're all adorable and totally unique.
This is my favorite part. Here we go. So satisfying.
Let me try. That is satisfying.
Once you find out which Heartable is inside, a bear builder will help you bring it to life.
It's a whole new way to make a bear.
Let's see what's inside. Whoa. Look how pink it is. I love pink.
Look at the unicorn horn.
So soft. Feel it.
That is soft.
Look at its little sparkly horn. Oh, it's so cute. What did you get?
Okay, let's see. I'm excited. Ooh, it has like blue and purple and pink.
I love purple too.
I love pink. There's like all my favorite colors in one.
Well, remember, there's 2 more surprises. So let's see what else is in here.
Yes.
Ooh, a mystery. What's inside?
I wonder. Oh, that's satisfying too.
Oh,
That's
look
so
how cute. Look at the cute little bow. Oh, it's so sparkly and pink. What did you get?
Let's see. Ooh, another mystery bag. Whoops. Oh, mine's purple and blue. It matches my bear. I love the bows. They're so cute. And this heart, it matches the heart on the outside of the bear. Cute. I'm so excited. I can't wait to stuff it.
We need a bear builder.
Now let's get the hearts ready and beating.
Rub the heart on your knee so your Heartables always need you.
Rub the heart on your muscles so it's super strong, just like you.
Rub the heart on your cheek because you're so funny, you know your Heartable will be laughing. Okay, let's fill the hearts up with a whole bunch of love.
That was so sweet. Now let's get our bears back.
Now let's make a wish. Okay, now we can put the hearts inside.
Isn't building bears fun? Now let's dress them.
I love it.
She looks ready.
What do you think? Does she need shoes too?
Oh yeah, but she is rocking that. Perfect. Mine's all dressed. They look so cute. Wait, didn't we get bows? We should add them. We should. They're literally so cute. That's the same thing I did. Hey, we're joining.
All right, let's get them ready to go. They get their own bag.
That is so cool and cute. Look, there's even an armhole.
Let's try them on. We're rocking it. Now we can bring our Heartables with us anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch new videos.
If you want to watch more with Lindsay and me, then check out our show, The Workshop. Bye!